Mazda wiper blade replacement, when you have this style that has this little square button in the middle, it's actually very easy. Get yourself something small like a little screwdriver or just something that could push this little button. Push this button down and then just slide this wiper out the front. Support the wiper arm so it doesn't fall and smack your windshield and crack your windshield. But after you push that little button down, you should just be able to slide this straight out. Just straight out. Don't go down or up. Just go straight out. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. Sometimes they're a little stubborn, but it's very easy. Basically, on some wipers, it has this little notch right here, and you just line that straight up and just slide it straight in straight, and it should go in and the button will lock, and then you'll be good. Here's a wiper replacement. This is a wiper blade from Mazda. This is the actual Mazda one. Always kind of match it up, make sure they're the same length. It comes with this little white protector. You could just slide this off. And then once you slide this off, we'll just go ahead and put it on. You could do that after it's on too. You don't have to take it off right away. But kind of the same thing. You just slide this straight in. So you line it up perfect, and then you just go straight in. It'll lock in place, and that little button will pop up, and that's it. That's how you do your wiper blades on the both sides, so the driver and the passenger side. Now on the rear, or actually this is a 24-inch for the other side, so the rear is a little different. We're going to pop this little cover up right here, kind of work the sides and just kind of pull this off. Now when that's off, you could bend this all the way up, and then you just pull the wiper blade up like this and then kind of wiggle it straight off. Here's my Bosch replacement. That's what it looks like, and you're just gonna put the hook of the wiper arm into this little peg that's in there, and then you just close this down like that, and then that's it, and then that's locked in place. So get this on, and then you're good. That's how to do it if you have this type of style wiper blades.